All right, everybody, welcome back to another deep dive. Today we're tackling something,
Crucial,
yeah, it's crucial for any traveler.
especially for the holidays.
Oh, especially with the holiday rush coming up, choosing the right luggage. I mean, we've all been there, right? That feeling of dread when your bag's bursting at the seams or, that awkward struggle to cram it into the overhead bin.
Or even worse, getting to baggage claim and seeing your bag's been roughed up a little too much in transit.
Oh, yeah, the baggage hamper horror stories are real. But seriously, folks, picking the right luggage can make or break your whole trip, and that's why we're diving deep into this topic today with some fantastic insights from the True Travel Treasures channel.
Absolutely. And you know what's really eye-opening? They found that 30% of travelers say their luggage actually negatively impacted their entire vacation.
Wow, 30%. That's a huge chunk of people.
Yeah.
So I guess we're not exaggerating when we say this stuff matters.
Not at all. It's about so much more than just getting your stuff from point A to point B. It's about convenience. It's about reducing stress. And ultimately, it's about maximizing your enjoyment throughout your whole trip.
Okay, so let's break it down. What are some of the biggest challenges people face when they're trying to pick the perfect luggage?
Well, durability is a big one. You need a suitcase that can handle being tossed around, survive the baggage claim obstacle course without falling apart.
Right. Nobody wants their suitcase bursting open at baggage claims, spilling their unmentionables for the whole world to see.
Exactly. Then there's the whole size conundrum. You've got to navigate those airline restrictions, those pesky baggage fees, and you don't want to end up, playing luggage Tetris just to make everything fit.
Oh, tell me about it. And it feels like everyone's jumping on that minimalist travel trend these days, finding luggage that supports that streamlined philosophy without sacrificing practicality. That's a whole other chapter.
Absolutely. And speaking of minimalist travel, that brings us to the one bag trend, which is exploding right now. It's all about traveling with just a carry-on, ultimate freedom and flexibility.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Imagine, gliding through train stations, effortlessly hopping on and off public transport, exploring a new city
Mm.
without being weighed down. I mean, the True Travel Treasures channel had this incredible video about this guy who traveled the world for a year with just a backpack.
It's totally doable with the right luggage, of course. Now let's talk types of luggage. You've got your carry-ons, right? Always reliable.
Your classic carry-on.
Your spacious check bags, backpacks for the adventurers out there.
Oh, don't forget the premium luggage for those who travel in style.
Exactly. So many choices. It's like picking a travel buddy, each one with his own personality.
Where do we even begin?
Well, let's start with carry-ons. They're perfect for those quick getaways, short trips, but they might leave you feeling a bit cramped if you're going on a longer holiday.
True. And then there are the checked bags, all that glorious extra space, but there's always that lingering fear of lost luggage.
Oh, the dreaded baggage claim waiting game.
And speaking of checked bags, the True Travel Treasures channel did this awesome series on durable luggage brands.
Oh, yeah, I saw those.
They really raved about Samsonite in a way.
Yeah.
Like those are your go-tos for toughness and style.
Absolutely. Now, for our free spirits, the minimalists out there, we've got backpacks, hands-free convenience for exploring those hidden alleys, conquering mountain trails.
I've had my eye on those Tom Talk and Samsonite Virtuoso backpacks. They look so sleek and practical.
Great choices. And then, of course, we can't forget those premium options. Brands like Level 8, Paravel, and Joyway, catering to the traveler who wants the best of the best.
Okay, so we've got like a luggage buffet laid out before us. How do we choose? What should our listeners be thinking about as they navigate this luggage labyrinth?
It all comes down to personal travel style. What you need your luggage to do for you. Think about the kind of trips you take, how you pack, your absolute must-have features. And then, of course, there's the age-old debate, hard side versus soft side.
The ultimate luggage showdown. Hard shells versus flexible friends. Which side reigns supreme?
Well, hard side luggage, like the Samsonite Freeform, is a fortress on wheels, right?
Yep.
Super durable, protective, always looks sleek, and they're easy to clean, which is a big plus.
But they're not always the most flexible for packing, right? Sometimes you need that little extra give.
Exactly. Now, soft side luggage, that's like your trusty travel companion, adapts to your needs. It's lighter, more flexible, and those external pockets, lifesavers, especially for those last-minute essentials.
But let's be real, they're not as invincible as those hard shells. They can show a bit more wear and tear.
True, true. The Shoko luggage sets are a great example of that soft side versatility, though. Ultimately, it's all about the nature of your trip.
Do you need a tank to protect those fragile souvenirs? Or are you going for a lightweight companion for a spontaneous adventure?
Exactly.
And you know what I'm loving? All these innovative luggage designs popping up. It's like they're reading our traveler minds, coming up with solutions we didn't even know we needed.
Absolutely. We're talking about space-saving marvels like underseat carry-ons for streamlined boarding, easy access to your stuff. Then there's the game changer, foldable luggage.
Wait, hold up. A suitcase that folds. Tell me more.
Right. It's incredible. The rolling suitcase is a prime example. You pack it up for your trip, and when you get home, boom, it folds down to a fraction of its size. It's a storage dream come true.
My mind is blown. And then there's luggage with removable wheels, giving you the power to customize your packing experience.
All about efficiency and enjoyment, making travel as smooth as possible.
Okay, enough teasing. Let's get to the good stuff. Hit us with those top luggage picks, based on all that amazing True Travel Treasures research.
All right, so if you're looking for a suitcase that's built like a tank but glides like a dream, the Samsonite Winfield 3DLX is a winner. It's got that super durable polycarbonate shell, those smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, and the interior organization is top-notch.
No more digging through a black hole of clothes.
Exactly. And then we have the Wrangler Smart Luggage Set, which has some seriously cool features. I'm talking a built-in USB charger, say goodbye to battery anxiety.
Hold on, a suitcase with a charger. That's next level.
Right. It's got a durable exterior, efficient interior compression system, and get this, a cup holder.
A cup holder. Sign me up.
Now for our backpack enthusiasts, the Coufé backpack. This is a fantastic option designed for the urban explorer. Tons of compartments, pockets, ultimate organization.
Easy access to your stuff, even on the go. I love it. What else?
All right, if you're looking for the perfect blend of style and function, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite comes in both soft side and hard side, so you can choose your fighter.
Plus, a lifetime warranty. Peace of mind when it comes to luggage is priceless.
Absolutely. It's also got a built-in USB port, which seems to be the must-have feature these days, and tons of pockets for, that organized packing experience.
Right.
What more could you ask for?
Seriously. Okay, before we get lost in luggage land, let's recap those key points when choosing a suitcase.
Okay. It always starts with your personal needs, your preferences, what's your travel style, how long are your trips, what kind of activities will you be doing, and, of course, what's your packing personality.
And don't forget the mode of transportation. Flying versus road tripping. That can definitely influence your luggage strategy.
Right. Airline restrictions, they're a whole other beast. Durability is key, especially if you're checking your bag. You need something that can withstand the baggage handling rodeo.
And speaking of durability, materials matter. Hard side versus soft side, polycarbonate versus ABS, the choices.
It's all about that balance between protection, weight, and flexibility. And then there's organization. Compartments, pockets, dividers, packing cubes. This is where we separate the packing pros from the amateurs.
I'm all about those packing cubes. Little miracles of organization.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about security features. Sturdy locks, tamper-proof zippers.
Wait, tamper-proof zippers, those exist?
Oh, yeah. And even RFID blocking technology.
RFID blocking. What in the world is that?
Well, it's basically a type of technology that prevents thieves from electronically stealing your information, like your credit card details, through your bag. RFID blocking tags, they add an extra layer of protection, especially in those busy airports, crowded areas.
Wow. Like a secret weapon against digital pickpockets?
Exactly. It's just one more way to, keep your belongings safe when you're traveling.
Okay, folks, we're going to pause for a breath here, but don't go anywhere. We've got so much more luggage goodness to unpack in part 2 of this deep dive. But before we get there, hit that subscribe button on the True Travel Treasures channel. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future travel tips. And speaking of travel tips, check out the links down in the description below. We've got a brand new online audio course on travel planning, 60 modules packed with knowledge, 10 thought-provoking questions per module, plus a free travel planning ebook to get you started. And hey, while you're at it, swing by our new website at truetraveltreasures.online. Even more travel inspiration and advice. And of course, anything you purchase through our links supports the True Travel Treasures channel, so you can feel good about fueling your wanderlust. We'll be right back with part 2 of this deep dive, where we'll delve even deeper into the world of luggage selection. Stay tuned.
And we're back, ready for more luggage adventures.
Oh, you know it. I'm especially excited to dig deeper into that whole foldable luggage thing. My mind's still boggled by the fact that a suitcase can just collapse like that.
It's pretty amazing, right? Especially for those of us who are, a little challenged in the storage space department. The rolling suitcase is a real game changer.
Okay, I'm sold on the concept, but practically speaking, How durable are these foldable suitcases really? Are they going to fall apart on me after a couple of trips?
That's a great question. Now, while they might not be as tough as a hard shell polycarbonate suitcase, they've come a long way in terms of durability. The Rolling, for example, is made with these high quality materials, so it can definitely handle those bumps and jostles of travel.
Okay, good to know. So what should people be looking for when they're shopping for a foldable suitcase?
Size and weight capacity are super important. Make sure it can fit all your essentials, but still meets those airline weight limits.
Right. Don't want to get hit with those extra fees.
Exactly. And pay attention to the features. Some have multiple compartments, pockets. You always want to stay organized.
Organization is key. Any other tips for foldable suitcase shopping?
Always check the warranty and return policy,
Yeah.
just in case.
Good point. Peace of mind is priceless, especially when it comes to luggage. Speaking of peace of mind, let's talk luggage security. This is crucial, especially during the holidays when those airports are packed and there's, a higher risk of opportunistic souvenir swapping.
Absolutely. Luggage security is paramount, especially when you're carrying valuables. A sturdy lock is your first line of defense, preferably TSA approved, so those agents can do their thing without, having to break your lock.
Smart. And what about zippers? Are there certain types that are more tamper-proof?
Look for durable zippers, the ones that are hard to pry open. Some suitcases even have locking zippers for that extra layer of security.
No more flimsy zipper nightmares. What about luggage tags? Any special ones that can deter theft or make it easier to track a lost bag?
There are some pretty cool luggage tags out there with RFID blocking technology.
RFID blocking. Okay, now that sounds high-tech. What is that exactly?
It's basically a thin layer of metal in the tag that disrupts radio waves so thieves can't electronically scan your credit cards or passport through your bag.
Whoa, so it's like an invisible shield for your personal information.
Pretty much. It's just that extra layer of protection when you're traveling, especially in those crowded areas.
I love it. Okay, so let's say someone's looking for a suitcase that's basically Fort Knox on wheels. What would you recommend?
Well, if security and durability are top priorities, the Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX is a classic for a reason. It's got that tough polycarbonate shell, a TSA-approved combination lock, and those spinner wheels are incredibly smooth and maneuverable.
True travel treasures raved about those wheels.
Didn't they? And don't forget the interior organization. Multiple compartments, a divider panel, no more black hole of clothes.
Love it. But what about for travelers on a tighter budget? Are there any affordable options that still offer good security?
Absolutely. The Wrangler Smart Luggage set that we mentioned earlier is a great value. It's got those essential security features, and it's got those bonus perks like the built-in USB charger and, of course, the cup holder.
Can't forget the cup holder.
Okay.
Okay, I have to ask. As a self-proclaimed organization fanatic, tell me more about those packing strategies, those gadgets that can take luggage organization to the next level.
Yes, packing like a pro. It's not just about shoving everything in there. It's about maximizing space, minimizing wrinkles, and making sure everything's easy to find.
Tell me everything.
Packing cubes are a game changer. They're like little drawers for your suitcase. You can separate clothes, toiletries, electronics, keep things wrinkle-free and easy to find. And don't underestimate those compression straps. They're magic for squeezing out extra space.
Compression straps are the best. What about shoe bags? Do those really make a difference?
Absolutely. They keep your shoes away from your clothes, prevent dirt and scuffs. Plus, they protect your shoes from getting squished.
Okay, I'm convinced. Shoe bags, compression straps, packing cubes. I'm writing all this down. What about luggage with built-in organization features? Any suitcases that really stand out in that department?
If you're looking for a suitcase that's practically a personal organizer on wheels, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite is a top contender.
Ooh, tell me more.
It's got all these thoughtful features like a built-in suitor to keep your clothes wrinkle-free.
Wait, a suitor? Like a mini closet inside your suitcase?
Exactly. And a dedicated laundry bag to separate those dirty clothes. No more mixing and matching clean and dirty.
That's so smart. I need that in my life.
The interior is super spacious, well-designed, with multiple compartments and zippered pockets. Everything's organized and easy to find.
Sounds like a dream come true for organized packers. What about for backpackers? Any picks for those who prefer to travel hands-free?
The Kufe backpack is a champion of organization. It's got a dedicated laptop compartment, multiple pockets for small items, even a separate shoe compartment. Plus, it's super comfortable to carry, even when it's fully loaded.
Comfort is key when you're carrying a backpack all day long. I'm adding that to my wish list for sure.
It's a great choice for travelers who value organization and freedom of movement.
This is all incredibly helpful. Before we move on to the final part of this deep dive, I want to remind everyone about all the amazing resources we have in the description below.
We have links to all the luggage we've talked about so you can check them out for yourself. Plus, there's our free travel planning ebook, packed with tips and tricks to make your next trip a breeze.
And don't forget about our brand new online audio course on travel planning. 16 modules, folks, each with 10 thought-provoking questions to help you plan the ultimate adventure.
And remember, anything you purchase through our links supports the True Travel Treasures channel so you can feel good about fueling your wanderlust and supporting our mission to help you travel smarter and better.
All right, we're back for the final leg of our luggage journey. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we?
We have, from those classic carry-ons to those futuristic foldable suitcases.
And don't forget the secret agent-level security features.
Oh yeah, we've definitely unpacked a lot of luggage wisdom. But before we send you off on your luggage-choosing quest,
Luggage quest. Like that.
we want to leave you with some final thoughts.
Hit me with that luggage wisdom.
Choosing the right luggage, it's about more than just, finding a bag to hold your stuff. It's about investing in a travel companion that'll make your trip smoother, more organized, and ultimately more enjoyable.
Like finding that perfect travel buddy, right? One that got your back and all your belongings.
Exactly. Imagine arriving at your destination feeling relaxed and ready to explore, all thanks to your trusty luggage sidekick. That's what it's all about.
Creating those unforgettable travel memories without the stress of, wrestling with a stubborn suitcase.
Exactly.
So as you plan your next adventure, remember to give luggage selection the attention it deserves.
Don't just settle for any old bag. Take the time to research, consider your needs, and choose the one that really complements your travel style.
It's an investment worth making, for sure. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the choices out there, remember, the True Travel Treasures community is here to help.
Absolutely. We're all on this journey together. Now, speaking of travel resources, don't forget to check out all the goodies we have waiting for you in the description below.
We've got links to all the luggage we've talked about so you can dive deeper into those details. Plus, there's our free travel planning ebook packed with tips and tricks to make your next trip a breeze.
And don't forget our brand new online audio course on travel planning. 16 modules, folks, each with 10 thought-provoking questions to help you plan the ultimate adventure.
And remember, anything you purchase through those links supports the True Travel Treasures channel, so you can feel good about fueling your wanderlust and helping us create more awesome travel content.
All right, now for that thought-provoking question we promised you.
Ooh, hit us with it.
Imagine yourself arriving at your holiday destination, feeling relaxed, excited, and ready to explore, all thanks to your perfectly chosen luggage. What kind of adventure awaits you?
What kind of adventure indeed.
That's for you to discover. Happy travels, everyone, and may your luggage always be your trusty companion on every adventure.
Safe travels, everyone.